In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WhatsApp chats on an iPhone in just 5 minutes. Backing up your chats is crucial to ensure that your messages, photos, and other shared content aren't lost in case of an app update or phone change. So let's dive right in and secure your conversations. First and foremost, we need to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. This process starts within the app because it's designed with an integrated backup feature to make it as seamless as possible for you. Once you have WhatsApp open, you'll need to navigate to the settings menu. Look for the icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's that little gear symbol. Tap on it and you'll find yourself in the settings menu. From there, the next step is to head over to chats. This is where WhatsApp keeps all its chat specific settings bundled. Tap on chats and then look for the chat backup option. Click on chat backup and you'll find yourself in the area where all the magic happens. Now, to create an immediate copy of your chats, you simply need to tap on backup now. This will initiate the backup process, and depending on the size of your chat history, this could take a little time. So, practice a bit of patience here. If you want to keep your mind completely at ease and have a more hands-off approach in the future, consider setting up auto backup. By activating auto backup, you give your iPhone permission to automatically save your chat data daily, weekly, or monthly based on your preference. Having this feature enabled ensures that your data is consistently and safely backed up without any further actions required on your part. Speaking of backups, it's essential that your iCloud drive is enabled. Without this, WhatsApp can't store your data in the cloud, which means you'd lose the whole purpose of sustainably backing up your chats. Head over to your iPhone settings again, scroll all the way to the top and tap on your name. This will open up your Apple ID settings. Once there, find iCloud. When you enter the iCloud settings, take a moment to ensure Drive is toggled on. The drive must be active to store your WhatsApp backup safely in the cloud. This is a crucial step, so don't skip it. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've now learned how to back up your WhatsApp chats on an iPhone. This setup not only safeguards your messages today, but also paves the way for stress-free app updates or device changes in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.